Sound check.
Sound check.
Hello, sound check. Mic 1, 2, 3. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tara Kape Podcast, a podcast that is made through the love of coffee and conversation, where in every episode we feature coffee shops or small cafes to show some love and support for their businesses. And for today's feature, we are featuring Sangkap Cafe. So, Sangkap Cafe is owned by my friend Desanik, who is a former barista in a very famous coffee chain in the Philippines. Their business is located in Daniela's Commercial Building, 147 Capital Boulevard, San Fernando, Pampanga. It's near the capital town. So guys, if you have time to check it out and support, please do so. Our guest for today's episode, guys, is she is a registered psychometrician, and also she is a HR practitioner in her work. So, I'm not gonna mention the work kasi hindi naman tayo sponsored ng work niya. Charot. And not only she is my sister, she's also the mother of my very cute niece, Feliz, and a very good wife ka ba sa asawa mo? And a very good, parang finake na lang yung ano, very good wife daw sa kanyang asawa. Let us all welcome, I'm so honored to be joined by my sister, Roseanne Busni. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
Sobrang ano naman. Sis, our
Ano ba to? Dog show lang?
No, yeah. ang tawag dito, kabutan na. The layout of my podcast is just a free-flowing conversation. Di mo
Okay.
kailangan mag-pretend. As a pretentious
okay.
girl. Charot.
Alam ko kailangan mong plus.
No. And we are talking about your exes.
Gago!
Charot. I chatted her yesterday. Sabi ko like, I'll gonna guest you, ganyan. And then she said na parang, ooh, how come you will guest me? Pero the topic will be your exes. Ooh. Kevin, if you're watching. Kevin, if you're watching. This is not
Do
for
not
you.
watch.
Charot, do not watch. No. So, the reason why I invite you, sis, is because I feel like you're the perfect guest for this episode because we are talking about motherhood. Because it's Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Okay, Happy Mother's Day.
Thank
Wala.
you. Happy
Hindi.
Mother's Day to all
Sa
the
lahat
mothers out there.
sa lahat ng nanay dyan, ina kayo.
Ina nyo.
Ina nyo.
Happy Mother's
Sa mga
Day.
ina nyo, Happy Mother's Day, guys. So, let's start it's not really an interview though. Parang ano lang siya, parang like, I just wanna ask you questions and then titignan ko how will you react on the questions based on your experience because you're a first-time mom.
Yes.
Okay. So, how is motherhood so far for you? Like, how's motherhood so far? If there's like one word to describe motherhood, what would it be?
Umpisa pa lang girl ang bigat na ng tao.
Yes, kailangan. You should be. Para ano? Tapos kung iiyak ka, okay lang din para madaming views.
Hala, sige. Mamaya na iyak, saglit lang.
What's the one word for
Okay.
you?
I don't think there's just a word na makakapag-describe sa
So,
motherhood.
you think it's not enough to like one word to describe motherhood?
Yes. And I'm not sure if may isang word that will perfectly describe motherhood.
Because,
Kasi for me, motherhood is something na malawak, malalim, at hindi siya kayang i-explain or i-describe ng iisang salita. But for me, personally, motherhood is fulfilling yet challenging.
Challenging,
Or maaring challenging yet fulfilling. Sige, iuna natin yon.
okay.
And number 2, exhausting yet exciting.
Oh,
Yeah.
exhausting yet exciting.
Yeah.
Lalo na kung may anak kang sobrang likot.
True! Na super
Sobrang hyper
hyper.
ng anak niya, guys. So, wag nyo na i-ano. Charing. Okay, so, I'll gonna take the ano yan? Exciting.
Sis naman,
Exciting yet expiring.
Hindi na expire ang pagiging
Okay.
motherhood.
Exciting yet ano yung sabi mo?
Ayan na, nawala ako.
I forgot.
Exhausting
Exhausting
yet
yet exciting.
exciting.
Okay. Kaya pala meron kayong Exos fan dito.
Yeah, kasi
Charet!
I'm exhausted.
Okay. What does being a mother means to you?
Ayun naman, I'm out of words na naman. But, siguro, for me, one thing that I realize in becoming a mother is being a mother means being a safe place for your kid,
For your family.
for your family, but most especially, for your kid, kasi, um, especially that syempre nung nag-umpisa pa lang naman lumaki yung baby, 'di ba, sa loob ng sinapupunan, it's just you and the baby. So si
Yung
baby,
father walang ambag.
may ambag siya syempre nung nabuo yung bata, gaga.
Parang
I
yung
mean,
father
when, when,
nakatanga
when,
lang siya
when the
dun sa
baby
labas.
is growing inside your
Kayo lang
womb,
dalawa.
diba? So,
Oo.
so yung bond was there. So yung security, yung safety na nafe-feel ng bata is just between the
You,
mother
yeah, you and
and
the baby.
kaya if i-describe ko siya, it's yung pagiging mother to my daughter, it's becoming a safe place for her, na hindi lang siya natapos nung
Pinanganak mo siya.
lumabas siya,
Yeah.
but
That's the start lang.
yes, starting point lang yon. So syempre nung lumabas na siya sa mundo, no, you know naman how chaotic the world is. So
Yes.
I want her.
Nag-umpisa na yung gastos.
Yeah. It's so
Ah,
chaotic. But syempre, since everything is new to her, I want her na ma-feel niya na ako yung isa sa mga safest place na
yeah.
mapupuntahan niya.
Okay. Kasi like going back, let's flash back muna. Like where parang can you like take us the moment na you knew that you were pregnant? Kasi this is so funny. Because there's a story about this one. So like can you make kwento of like when you knew that you were pregnant and like ano yung ganap natin prior to that?
Yeah. So, actually, hindi ko nalaman agad, no? Kasi, we were actually, syempre, I got married November 26, 2023, and then afterwards, we already consulted OB because it's already part of the plan, no, na magiging part na siya nung aming next steps. And then,
So somehow you were planning na to have a baby
yes,
na.
we're already planning, we're already talking about it. And then, but we did not expect na, like, kunwari, hindi naman kasi siya parang, kunwari, ginawa mo, mabubuo na, hindi
Yeah,
pala
yeah,
ganon.
yeah.
So, hindi naman namin siya minadali. So, we were just enjoying, especially that kakakasal lang naman namin. And
Yeah,
then,
yung season nyo nun.
yes. And
You
then,
were-
di ba, ikaw pa nga nag-book nung,
Nung trip. Okay.
you know,
So, we had this trip after, you got married ng September ng 20.
November, girl!
Okay, November ng
Sino ka?
2020. 2023 ba yun? Oh, ang bilis.
Oh.
And then, sabi ko like parang, why not, let's book a trip, ganyan. Parang yun yung pinaka-honeymoon nyo, pero kasama kami ng dalawang kapatid ko. So we booked a trip to Hong Kong, January the next year. And then, parang like, so we went, like, nag-roam around, like, that's 4 days, ganyan. Tapos, parang ito si sis, kaya pala parang medyo bugnutin siya nun. Parang, though
Which is
parang ano niya na,
normal
nature
naman,
niya na yung
diba?
bugnutin.
Mas
Pero,
lumala.
mas lumala. Tapos parang, makaamoy lang siya ng pagka, bleh, parang dual siya ng dual.
Amoy, ano kasi, sorry,
Gumagana.
hindi naman sa pagiging
Yeah,
racist.
racist. Pero kasi again, like the food in Hong Kong, hindi.
It
Ewan ko,
doesn't
for
trip.
me, I'm a really like, I'm not really a fan too. But then again, parang, tapos parang, si sis, parang after ng uwi na tayo, pagod na ako, ganyan. So parang uwi sila, like matutulog, ganyan. So parang ako, nasasayang ako kasi parang ako lalabas, ganyan. And then, few months or few weeks after,
It's just parang when we returned na dito sa Philippines, 'di ba, nagka-flu and all, nag-take pa ako ng gamot, pero sabi ko parang patapos na yung January, hindi pa ako dinadatnan.
Okay.
So just to make sure, no, mga 5 yata ang pregnancy test yung
nag-positive.
yung binili namin. So bumili muna kami para lang sure na baka,
Yeah.
'di ba, false alarm and all. So I took them then, so all were positive. So yun, actually nandyan pa yung pregnancy, yung mga result, no, pero kasi it's very sa akin parang
it's very sentimental.
yeah, and Ganun pala yun na, ay, dalawang guhit.
Yeah.
No, dalawang guhit
Dati, pag
lahat.
dalawang guhit sa COVID, nakakatakot. Wag na natin ikwento yung COVID journey
Na,
natin.
kami
Yeah,
din
it's
yung
a
ano.
different journey. Pero yon ngayon, yung pregnancy 2 lines, sobrang proud mo.
Yeah. So, and then nagkaroon kami ng confirmatory test. So, nagpa-check. So, nung first week ng Feb, confirmed no,
Na
that,
may baby na.
yes, na,
Tas nakakaloka kasi, syempre ako wala naman akong idea. Ito, parang dahil ako, like ako yung nagle-lead nung tour, ay pinapalakad ko talaga sila ng kilometrong layo talaga. So,
bundok,
oo. So,
Pilipino.
parang ako parang, di ba gusto yung travel? So, lakad. Buti na lang si baby, hindi natagtag. So,
Yes.
yon safe naman po siyang lumabas. Ngayon po, sobrang
Mhm.
likot niya na. Kaya parang, ayun. So, that was the story of her pregnancy.
Yes.
So, okay. What was the feeling that when you knew that you're pregnant? Like, you said nga na you were really like parang it's part of your plan naman na
Mhm.
after marriage. But like what's the feeling? Like were you pressured? Were you like ano?
Siguro at first, no, it was very parang surprising, shocking, and mixed emotions, no. Syempre number one, happy, and
Yeah.
then very grateful kasi hindi lahat no nabibiyayaan ka
Yes, that's
agad.
so
And
true.
so we were so blessed na nabigay agad. And then it was mixed emotions, and syempre there's also a fear kasi me becoming a first-time mom, parang wala naman siyang parang training on how to
Yes.
become a perfect mom,
There's no
how to
book.
become how to handle, 'di ba, perfectly yung
Yeah.
pregnancy and all. So there were a lot of fears, there were a lot of parang doubts, kaya ko ba?
Questions.
Parang
Yeah.
ang daming pressure, ang dami pang mga, alam mo yung mga unsolicited advice na ito dapat, yung
Yes,
ginagawa mo, ito
yes.
dapat, ganito dapat, and
True.
all. But of course, I also listened, no, dun sa mga pieces of advice ni OB kasi siya yung mas nakakaalam and
Yes.
all. And then, syempre, listening to my body as well. So, it's also very helpful na very, ang tawag to, supportive naman din, no, si Kevin throughout my pregnancy journey. Mas naging patient,
Feeling
understanding.
ko din, kung dati nung magjowa na kayo, parang yung patience ni Kevin is 10. Nung nanganak ka, parang naging 97, ganyan. Kaya, good job to you. Charas!
Yeah.
And then,
But ayun nga, no, a lot of parang hindi mo siya like mababox na ito lang dapat, no. So there were a lot of emotions, especially nung maisingit ko lang, no, kasi hindi pa pala dapat ako magbubuntis noon kasi nung nagpa-check kami sa endocrinologist, no, I found out that I have hyperthyroidism, so
okay.
it's best na i-pause muna yung pagbubuntis
Okay.
kasi kasi dalawa lang yung pwedeng maging mangyari, no, if magbubuntis ako. Either magpo-pause, no, yung activity, yung pagiging hyper ng thyroid activity,
Or,
or ang tawag dun, mas lalala siya.
okay.
So, it's good na nung nagbuntis ako, it all parang naging smooth lahat,
Yeah,
naging
yeah, yeah, yeah.
stable. So, yun yung parang sinasabi nung doc ko na kakambal nung pagbubuntis, which is a positive yung naging result sa akin kasi
Sa'yo.
naging stable yung sa thyroid activity ko and all, and naging healthy yung baby. So, yun yung mga parang unexpected part lang no, nung naging journey ko sa pagbubuntis. But, all in all, ano naman, super worth it.
Yeah.
No?
As in, like, naging open-minded ka na this will gonna be the process of that. Like, it's not gonna be easy.
Yes, I know naman, hindi talaga siya
Yes.
magiging easy kasi, like, diba, si ate, nung nagbuntis, nung
Yeah.
nanganak and all. But, parang no one can really prepare you, no, dun sa journey. It's just parang,
There might be guides, but like,
yes, pero parang yung faith din, no, yung faith mo sa
yeah,
sarili mo and sa Lord
sa
will
taas, yeah.
really really help you overcome yung hurdles nung pregnancy. So you can, 'di ba? You can watch mga parang pregnancy videos and
Videos.
all, but yung ikaw mismo yung nakaka-experience nung journey, parang hindi mo pala lahat ma-apply kasi every pregnancy journey is unique. So, ikaw mismo, everyday ikaw na madaming learnings kang
Yeah.
malalearn, no, everyday na puwedeng yun din yung hindi mo masasabi, hindi pala lahat ganito yung pinagdadaanan
Daanan,
kasi
yeah.
bakit ako ganito. So, it's really, not okay na i-compare mo din, 'di ba, yung journey, yung pregnancy journey mo dun sa journey ng ibang tao kasi unique pala talaga lahat. Kaya nga
Yes.
walang manual, 'di ba? Walang
Yes.
manual ng motherhood, walang manual ng pregnancy journey because parang each journey is unique.
Different. Pero
Yes.
like, so you're saying na were you overwhelmed with the journey?
Somehow, yes. Especially that everything is new, everything is
Yeah.
first time to me. So, it's very overwhelming. Lalo na nung papalapit na, ano ba, lalabas na ba siya? Ano, kasi, sa akin sinet na talagang masi-CS ako dahil nga
So,
dun sa hypercycle.
yes, okay.
So, overwhelming siya in a way na hindi mo kasi alam anong mangyayari,
True.
no? Bukas, ano ba, baka ma-emergency CS ka na lang or whatsoever. But, nung mga kabuanan ko na kasi, bed rest na ako ni
Ni
OB
Doc,
ko,
yeah.
like, one month, sabi niya. But ako, as a mapilit girl,
You
kung,
still work, yeah.
September 8 yung due date, yung target na i-open ako. Sabi ko, sige po hanggang September. September 6,
6.
magwo-work
So
from home
you,
ako.
yeah, so nanganak ka ng September.
September 4,
Oh, September 4, di
unexpected.
ba?
Naka-meeting
Maaga.
pa ako noon,
Oh my
guys. No,
gosh.
naka-meeting pa ako. Though work from home naman, naka-meeting pa ako ng morning. Siguro na-stress ako. May stressful meeting lang noon. And then afterwards, boom. Ano
Biglang
na?
nag-ano na yung water niya, guys.
Yes.
Pumutok na po.
So, imbes na September 8, ayun, September 4 na lumabas si baby.
Okay. So leading to that experience, how did motherhood change your perspective on life and for yourself? Kasi like,
Um,
syempre, like, ilang years kang single. Like,
yes.
tas bigla, like, boom, may baby. Boom,
Mm-mm.
may family. Boom.
Okay. But, ayun nga, no, sinabi ko naman even before nung 2023 na kinasal kami. So, it's already part of the plan
Plan.
that
Okay.
we will be building this family. So, magbe-baby and all. So, somehow, I think even before kami kinasal, no, nagkaroon na ng biggest shift no sa life ko kasi I left my previous work because GY ako noon. So
Okay.
since may mga naka-plan out na no sa amin ni Kevin for our next 'di ba phase sa life. So I really decided to leave my previous job, look for
Another
a
job.
morning shift
Shift
na
job, yeah.
job na alam mo yon na somehow chill lang,
Yeah.
ganyan. So that I can focus, 'di ba, dun sa marriage, I can focus sa if
And
magbubuntis
before, di ba, you
man.
were working in Manila pa? So parang
Yes, nung
another shift din yan.
nagka-COVID,
Yeah.
yes. Kasi I think yung COVID season is a sampal, no, sa ating
Yes.
lahat
It's a
to
reality
really
check.
pause, look back, and think ano ba yung mga priorities natin in
Yeah.
life. So that's also the time when I realized that sige, if 'di ba, if ibibigay talaga, I really wanted to settle down, I need to, stay here sa Pampanga
Yes,
kasi
lumipat.
nasa Makati ako noon. But then, ayun nga, COVID hit the country. So, I decided to, sige, I think it's time to really look for a job here in Pampanga.
Yes.
Which eventually, no, happened naman very, very fast din yung
Yeah, because your
transition.
transition noon hindi naman ganun katagal.
Yes, like parang nag-last day ako dun sa
Last job.
Makati.
And then the next
The
day.
next day start ko na. So
I love the transition.
so yeah, very very blessed din no na may mga ganong opportunities na dumating previously. Ano pa ba? How did it change my perspective? It changed the way I think, I decide. Kasi dati, 'di ba before, if may mga decisions ako, sarili ko lang or si
Yeah.
Kevin lang yung iti-take ko for consideration. But now, I need to consider that I have this felicity na kailangan kong isipin, no?
Yeah.
If ito ba yung decision na gagawin ko or ito yung gagawin naming step, paano ba to makakaapekto kay
Yes,
Feliz?
for sure kasi it will affect her.
Yes. So, hindi ka na nagde-decide on your own lang.
yeah.
Parang kami ni Kevin, we decide as a whole family. So, ano ba yung mas makakabuti kay Feliz, no? Kasi, di ba, we had itong bahay namin sa Houseland.
Yeah.
So, before, parang ang plano namin, dito natitira and all. Nagbuntis, nanganak, walang
Yeah.
magbabantay.
So,
Nagwo-work
like,
kami
we moved,
pareho.
yeah, they moved dun sa bahay
So,
namin.
nanganak naman, nagstay naman kami dito for 1 week after manganak. Then, after 1 week, after nung paternity leave ni Kevin, we, 'di ba, nagstay
Decided
na
na doon na
sa
lang muna sa
Santa Ana.
bahay. Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
yon is a big, big decision that we need to take kasi paano si Feliz, di ba?
Yes,
Paano
yes.
kami? So, that's why we left Houseland, stayed in Santa Ana.
Yes.
So,
And now we're back here in Houseland.
yeah, kasi may,
Pinapagawa yung house niya.
yo,
Ako ba dito? So, kanina you mentioned din na parang sabi mo, like, when you were like pregnant or before ka pa mag-pregnant, sabi pa baka may mga fear ka. What
yes.
were those fears? Like,
Siguro number 1 is yung fear of, alam mo yun, na kaya ko ba siyang buhayin?
yeah.
'Di ba? Parang, as a first time mom, parang hindi ako makapaniwala na may isang buhay, no,
Yeah.
na
Nabibitbitin ka.
yes, na namamahay sa aking sinapupunan. So, I always parang think if, ano ba, kaya ko ba tong buhayin? Kaya ko bang i-pursue yung
Yeah.
pregnancy ko? But, sa awa ng Diyos, no, na i-pursue naman, na itawid. And, aside from that, siguro is, magiging deserving parent ba ako
Yeah.
nitong batang ito.
Or parang
So,
like, can you give her the life that she deserves?
yes, kasi
Ganyan.
yun din yung isa sa mga lagi kong pinagpe-pray before na, Lord, sana gawin mo naman akong deserving. Hala, girl!
Okay, dito na mag-kick in, guys, yung yung emotional button. Inon na po, guys. So, you were praying na,
Yes, na sana maging deserving parent kami, no, ni Feliz.
yeah,
Kasi,
kasi
di ba, we prayed for her and binigay
binigay
naman
siya
siya ni
sa'yo.
Lord. And siguro yung, ang tawag nito, we just want, hindi na nga best, di ba? Hindi ko na hinihinging
Yung
maging
best,
best
yeah.
parent. Hindi ko na hinihinging maging best
Or
mom.
parang hindi mo na hinihingi yung perfect life.
Yes, kasi I know that wala namang perfect,
Yes.
'di ba? Walang perfect life, walang perfect mom, walang perfect
Yeah.
parent. But I just want Feliz to have the parents that she deserves.
Yes.
So, yun yung well, up until now, yan naman yung I think fear ko as a parent, as a mom, kasi what if parang may mas better pa lang, 'di ba, na kaya mong gawin sana or i-provide kay Feliz, no. So I hope na hindi ko na-missed out yung mga ganong opportunities for her.
Okay, I get that. Kasi like, feeling ko, like, the reason why you're thinking that is because she's growing up na hindi mo siya kasama.
Yes.
Because you're working. But then again, like, the reason why you're working is for her.
Yeah, actually,
So, like, parang,
that's
diba,
always
yeah.
parang guilt na.
So, that's the mom guilt that you have.
Yes,
But then again,
every
kasi, if you're gonna
day.
think of it, parang, di ba, if you have a choice, di ba, you can give her, like, super life na maganda. But then again, you're working for her. I mean, you're working for
Yes.
her future. You both working for her future. So, parang, I feel like, in the future, Feliz will understand that for sure.
Yeah, I do hope, no, kasi lalo na ngayon, no, na nagkakaisip na siya somehow, pero parang for her, siguro nagiging routine na lang siya. Yun yung medyo sad part sa akin, kasi parang nagiging part na siya ng familiarity niya na, ito yung routine na morning, aalis
Si
si
mama,
mama at
yeah.
papa, magbababay siya,
Oo.
no? And then, pagbalik namin at gising pa siya, no, excited siya.
You play with her.
Ang tawag nito, makakasama pa naman namin siyang matulog. But then again, the next day, alam niya na, alis kami. Pero parang, na siya, nasasad ako somehow kasi, napafamiliar niya na ganun yung routine
niyo,
na
yeah.
aalis yung mama at papa ko, diba?
But then again, kasi, diba, like, kayo naman, nakikita ko naman na parang you make the most, parang you make bawi naman. Like, for example, the
Yes.
weekend, you go somewhere, diba? You go ganito.
Mm-mm.
So, parang for sure naman, like, parang Tatatak yun sa core memory niya, ganyan.
I hope so.
Yeah, it will. Siguro lang, like, yun nga, kasi, like, you're lucky lang. Kasi, syempre, at least, yung pinag-iiwanan mo sa kanya is family.
Yes,
I mean, like,
yes,
the
yes.
lola at the
Yes,
lolos,
yes.
ganyan.
Thank you, Wawa,
Yeah. Oh, minsan
Wawomi.
ako nag-aalaga, kaya sobrang pagod ko din sa kanya. Charot! Ako yung nag-alaga. Okay. So, what has been the happiest moment for
Happiest
you as a
moment,
mom?
siguro the fact that I get to be called mama by Feliz.
Feliz.
Just being a mother to
Yeah.
her, the fact that I am her mom is already parang one of the most fulfilling and the most happiest I can
Yeah.
say na part ng pagiging motherhood ko
Mother, yeah.
right now na
Kasi it means parang she acknowledges you, like, na alam niya
yay.
na, ito yung nanay ko, like, she's my mom, ganyan.
Yeah.
How do you handle naman difficult days as a mom? For sure, the road.
Yes,
Hello.
wala namang laging masaya, no?
Fiesta, oo.
But I'm not alone in handling those difficult moments kasi sabi ko nga no, may nandyan si Wowa, nandyan si
Yeah, the
Wowa,
support system is
si Ming,
super
no?
solid.
Yeah, it's really parang helpful to have a solid support system who's with you all throughout this journey kasi it's difficult, no, yung mag-isa ka lang, but since you have this support system who assist you, no, in good days and bad days, so kaya nagiging madali, no.
Yeah, it becomes
Yung
easier.
yung mga difficult moments na yan, parang dadaanan mo lang naman eh, but since meron kang gantong support system, no, kakayanin siya. And I'm also very grateful din, no, kay Kevin who really absorbs all the
The
kabuisitan
difficult.
in me.
Yes, my gosh.
So, yun, he does not complain and I think that's
So, hindi siya
yeah,
nagka-complain.
hindi siya nagko-complain sa
In
kabuisitan
mind na lang.
ko.
Siguro, like, in mind.
Subukan
Parang,
niya,
grabe. Ano
like,
bang pamilyang pinasok? Charot!
subukan niya. Feeling ko hindi niya lang madirect sa akin.
Yeah. So, this question is super, like, super parang tricky. How do you balance naman yung life mo being a mom, being a corporate
Mm.
girl, and being a wife? Like, being a family girl, ganyan.
I'm able to, wear multiple hats
Yes,
because
every day.
again, due to my support system, no. Without them, parang siguro stay-at-home mom na lang ako
Yeah.
or baka iniwan ko na lang yung anak ko basta-basta, no. But through them, I'm able to wear my hat as, as a mom, no,
True.
as a working mom and as a wife, no, as a daughter as well, and kung ano-ano pang mga roles. Kasi if ako nga lang yan, no, baka it would be impossible for me na makapag-work pa, no, kasi
True.
just taking care of Feliz already parang consumes na, no, yung energy, yung time, especially right now na super super likot na niya. But ayan, thank you sa aking mga family, no, kay Ming, kay Wowa, Wowo, kay Queenie, and of course sa inyo na kahit paila-ilang oras, no, spending time with Feliz and Jessie, very helpful na yun kasi I'm able to fulfill yung other roles.
That's so true. Kasi hindi nga ganoon kadaling mag-alaga ng bata nowadays kasi nga sobrang
Yeah.
likot nila. Kaya ako pag ako nag-alaga, ilang minutes lang, di ko kaya. Tatawagin ko na si Wowa. Wowa, sub na. Di ko na kaya ka. Siguro kung natutulog sila, pwede ako magstay, like babantayan. Pero kapag naglikot-likot na sila, nag-akyat-akyat, ayoko na. Hindi ako pang ganon, sorry. Okay, next question. Was there anything about motherhood that no one prepared you for?
I think the whole journey, 'di
Oh,
ba?
yeah.
Parang hindi naman siya na-train.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga kanina, 'di ba, you can watch mga movies, you can watch mga vlogs and all, but if ikaw na mismo yung nasa journey, it's very unique. Wala kang mapaghihingan na manual. Paano ba pag ganito, 'di ba? Paano pag ganito? So, ayun, yung buong journey, hindi mo siya makukuha ng perfect kasi um, ang tawag nito, may mga unexpected things na maaari mong ma-experience along the way, no? Kahit na before, 'di ba, nagbabasa-basa pa ako, nanonood pa ako na kapag may baby ka na, ito yung mga
Yeah,
gagawin
yeah,
ito.
yeah.
Pero nung nandun na siya, parang ang hirap pala, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Parang, ano ba, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Baka, ano ba, baka masaktan siya, baka mahirapan siya, and all. So, yung fact that you're taking care of this tiny human while you yourself, 'di ba, is nagre-recuperate pa,
Yeah,
no,
and healing
from,
then
'di ba,
physically,
it's
yeah.
very very difficult,
Yeah.
but um siguro yun, you just really need to take things slowly, no, one step at a time, kasi yun nga, walang perfect formula, walang perfect recipe sa
To be a
pagiging mo.
mom. That's
Yes.
so true. I love that answer. Okay, next question naman. What kind of mother do you hope to be for Feliz?
Ooh, what kind of mother? So, aside dun sa sinabi ko kanina, I want to
Yeah,
be a deserving mom
mom.
for
Yes.
Feliz.
Aside from that.
I just also wanted to, ito, lagi ko naman to sinasabi, I just wanted to be a safe place for Feliz, no? Someone she can run to
Yeah.
whenever she feels tired, whenever she's happy, whenever she, ano man yung may experience niya, ako yung, gusto ko ako yung mapupuntahan niya na makaka-experience siya ng, alam mo yun, peace,
Yeah.
na walang judgment,
True.
na magiging, na, pwede siyang maging vulnerable, di ba?
True.
Gusto ko yung yung kaya niyang express kung sino man siya whenever she's with me. So, yun.
Kasi ang swerte ni Feliz, like nanay niya psychometrician. So parang, alam mo yun, parang pag may pinagdadaanan siya, parang ipa-process, ganyan, parang
Visit!
kaloka. Oo. This one, very pang Miss Universe. How did becoming a mother affect your dreams or goals? Were there priority shifts?
How did it affect?
Yes, yung goals mo. Kasi syempre dati may goal ka.
Yeah.
May goal ka nung single ka, tapos nung nagka-partner ka, may goal ka din. But then, again, nagkaroon ng baby, for sure, iba yung goal.
So, yeah, I do have like siguro nung um single pala, nung boyfriend, girlfriend era, working sa corporate world, my goal is parang akit na ladder, di ba, corporate
The
ladder and all.
usual.
But then, nung nasa Makati pa yun, but then nga, COVID happened, so parang tinalikuran ko yun.
Yeah.
So, I started zero, no, here in Pampanga. So, there's already a big shift. But then again, since our plan is really to settle down, and part of the plan is to build a family, have a baby. So, parang nung kami pa lang, lahat naka-plan out na and all. But then, Feliz came, and then nanganak ako, parang siguro nung wala pa akong baby, focus ko sa career, kailangan mag-excel and all.
True.
But then Feliz came, parang okay na sa akin na hindi ako siguro masyadong nag excel masyado, like focus masyado sa work, as long as I get to spend time
Yeah.
with Feliz.
Totoo.
Kasi if mag-focus pa rin ako masyado dun sa part na I wanted to excel, though I know hindi naman din natin yung dapat inaalis, no?
Yes,
Kasi nga
yes.
human pa rin tayo, so we still have personal goals in life. But ako personally, nag-shift yung priorities ko, na before I wanted to achieve this, I wanted to become this, I wanted to
To be in
parang
this position,
yes, na
ganyan.
parang ang daming targets na I wanted to achieve. But then
Yeah.
Feliz came, parang okay na sa akin na hindi ko ma-achieve yung mga targets na yon.
Yeah, kasi
As
nga,
long as I have my baby na
And
I get to spend time
time
with.
with.
Kasi if, di ba, masyado ako magfo-focus dun sa part na kailangan nag-excel ako dito and all, parang nakukuha naman yung oras ko. Di ba?
Totoo.
Parang mom guilt na nawawalan ka na ng time kay
True.
Feliz. So, parang ako, okay na ako sa chill mode lang na career
Totoo.
ngayon.
Ngayon,
No?
yeah,
Hopefully, hindi ko naman sinasara din yung door that I wanted to, excel pa in different areas of my life. But right now, I'm just enjoying, no, yung motherhood journey ko and
True.
becoming a mom to Feliz. So, right now, ngayon, ano pa ako, okay pa ako. Okay pa ako na, nasa chill mode lang kami.
Yeah.
So,
Ilang
yun.
ilang goal niyo bang anak?
Ah, well, before, sabi namin, at least two, no, isang boy, isang girl, pero hindi mo naman mapaplan out kung boy
Predict,
or,
yeah.
diba, boy or girl, but
So, hangga't hindi nagbo-boy, di kayo titigil, ganyan.
girl, ay
OA
parang
niyo
wag na
naman.
lang muna, no?
OA niyo
Hindi,
naman.
but, ayun nga, no, given the global crisis and all,
True.
parang, okay na muna kami kay Feliz.
So right now, parang like,
chill muna
focus muna
tayo.
kayo kay Feliz.
Yes.
Hindi niyo pa pinag-uusapan Wednesday next baby.
Hindi pa
Coming.
siya at the moment
Happening.
kasi, like, ang gastos, parang
True.
hindi, kung gusto, but the question is, kaya ba naming masustain? Kaya ba naming ma-provide yung time namin, both working, kaya ba naming ma-provide yung mga resources that they need?
True. Tsaka kaya ba ni Wowa? Ang tanong
ayun
dyan,
nga, kaya ba nung magbabantay?
kaya ba ni Wowa? Kasi for sure si Wowa
Kaya pa ba?
Tapos meron pa kami isa paparating na isa pang baby.
Yes,
So
baby
parang,
boy. So,
parang, guys,
kaya
chill.
siguro chill muna kami.
Totoo naman yun. Parang di naman kayo pinapressure na masyado.
Pero syempre, di ba, kung ibibigay naman ni Lord,
sana ibigay na lang like on the right timing na lang.
yes. So, kaya kung ibibigay sa right time.
Totoo
right
yun. So what is the one lesson that motherhood has taught you?
To take things slowly.
Yes. Kasi for sure, like, alam mo yun, for sure naman you're continuously learning in this journey. Kaya parang for sure baka mag-iba-iba yung lesson. Pero
Exactly.
tingin mo like, by far, what's the most,
Ayun nga sis. Take things slowly.
Thinking slowly. Okay. Hindi pala nakakontento ng sagot.
Aside from that is that never compare, no, yung journey mo nga sa
Yes.
ibang tao, no, kasi and that to be kind, no, sa sarili mo. Do not pressure, no, yung sarili mo. Do not parang ang tawag nito, huwag mo masyadong questionin kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo, as long as you do, no, yung very best mo every day, no,
True.
you show up for your baby, you ang tawag nito, you give, no, yourself, your time to your baby. It's more than enough, no.
Totoo.
Your baby would really appreciate that. And parang wag mong masyadong pressurein, no, yung sarili mo kasi before, no, lalo na nung bagong panganak ako, na nape-pressure ako na ano ba, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Dapat ba ganito? Bakit yung iba ang bilis mag-heal? Bakit ako parang ang tagal mag-heal? Parang
True.
na-infect pa yung sugat ko and all. So, I really parang pin-pressure ko masyado yung sarili ko na mag-bounce back na dapat hindi pala kasi every journey is unique. So, you just really need to be, kinder pa, no, sa sarili mo kasi if hindi ka magiging kind sa self mo, no, paano pa yung love, no, yung amount of
Maibibigay
love
mo.
na
Totoo.
maibibigay mo sa baby mo if yung sarili mo mismo hindi mo kayang i-love ng tama.
Ng bongga.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Next question naman. What is your greatest dream for your family?
Oh, my greatest dream? Siguro lang, very simple. I'm not dreaming naman na very grand for my family. It's just that whatever yung challenges and hurdles that we will face in the future, I just want us na, diba, to stick together, to rise together. We may fall, but I do hope that we will still rise together. I just want
Rise
us...
from the ashes.
Uy, wag.
Charot!
Nagmula
Ano
naman
pala?
lahat sa ashes.
Ano pala? Holy Week na pala tong Papunta na pala sa Holy Week itong episode na to.
Visit.
Okay, and then?
And just to have, it may be parang, ang tawag nito, so cliche to say na to have a peaceful life. Pero parang pag naging nanay ka na, yun na lang yung gusto mo eh.
Totoo.
Magkaroon ng kapayapaan. Like,
actually, kahit di ka maom, parang minsan kapag papunta ka na sa edad na parang, grabe.
Trentahin.
Trentahin ka na, parang gusto mo talaga peaceful.
Gusto mo na lang yung peaceful life.
Complete sleep. Ganyan.
Yes.
Totoo.
So, yun. Gusto ko lang na, maging peaceful somehow, no? Yung pamumuhay namin. I'm not
True.
saying na walang challenges kasi challenges is, part
Of life.
of
It's a human
life.
nature.
So, kung magkaroon naman ng challenges, no, we're still, di ba, buo in facing the
True.
challenges na magkakasama. So,
It's so
ayokong
true.
maghiwalay kami. So, yun.
Was that became an issue? Like, parang sabi mo mga, before you're like so petite and this, you have
Mm.
this body type. And then like when you, parang nag-bear ka ng child and then nanganak ka na and then like this figure of yours, parang, uh, paano mo siya pinrocess? Paano mo siya like hinandle? Kasi parang syempre, yung mga damit mo
Yeah.
before, hindi mo naman suot ngayon.
Oo,
Di ba puro duster ka ngayon, sis?
Hindi
So
ako
yon,
makapag-pants.
paano mo siya pinrocess? Like parang, ano ba, like acceptance ba? For sure, there's an acceptance.
Yes. At,
Again, but like paano mo siya inano, like, or paano mo kinonvince sa sarili mo? Will it be a motivation for you to like work hard,
mm
or like, what is that? How is it?
Well, siguro, yung mga ganong pag-changes, no, sa body, nagva-vary din yan, person to person, but ako personally, in-embrace ko na lang na, part ng motherhood. At first, di ba, in-embrace ko na lumalaki talaga ako kasi nga may pinapalaki akong bata sa
Yeah.
loob ng aking
Pero di ka pwede
katawan.
mag-diet, di ka pwedeng
No,
mag-ano.
hindi
True.
mo pwedeng pigilan ang pagkain, lalo na kung gutom yung bata kasi talagang
So
magugutom.
dalawa kasi
Yes.
kayo.
So, in-embrace ko yung fact that lalaki ako, no? And then, when napanganak na si Feliz, in-embrace ko rin yung fact na
Yeah.
hindi ka agad babalik sa dati. Pero nung, 2 years, magto 2 years na ako postpartum, ganito pa.
Pero
Siguro,
kasi again, hindi, pero kasi di ba yung postpartum, di naman siya like wala naman siyang definite year na,
yes. Kasi, ang tawag nito, madaming changes talaga sa
yeah,
body. But, siguro, ito sa akin, disiplina lang talaga sa akin and motivation kung talagang gusto kong pumayat,
bumalik
'di
that,
ba?
yeah,
Kung
yeah.
gusto ko talagang bumalik, I can naman. I really
But then
can.
again, kasi it's not your
Yes,
priority
hindi
for
ko siya
now.
priority for now, especially that I'm working, no. Kami ni Kevin, lagi kami after work, walking tayo. May mga ano pa kami diyan,
Di man
running
totoo.
shoes pa kami yun na nga. May mga running shoes na kami sa
Nakakatawa,
sasakyan.
magtatanong pa yan, ano magandang running shoes?
Yeah.
Sis, wag ka munang mag-run, mag-walk ka
May
muna.
ano pa kami, may mga pamalit pa kami. Pero ayun nga, pag susunduin na niya ako, ay sige, uwi na lang tayo kasi si Feliz,
Yun na nga
sayang
kasi
naman
nga
yung
syempre
oras.
yung oras na dadatnan mo pa yung
Yun nga,
bata na
yung
gising.
guilt na, ano ba, parang, majority of my time nasa work na kami, and then yung natitirang available time na supposed to be spent na lang sana sa bata, spend pa ba namin
Totoo yun.
sa running, sa walking. So, yun yung, laging ganun yung daily dilemma namin na,
Totoo.
pero if gugustuhin,
Kaya
kaya
naman,
naman. It's
yeah.
just that hindi ko nga siya priority
For
right now.
now. And like feeling ko din pag lumaki na lang ng konti si Feliz,
So,
like
kami
alam
na
mo
lang,
yun.
kasama na lang namin siyang
Totoo kasi like
tatakbo.
ako din
Ganun.
I believe na parang itong formative years ng bata, like
Very
parang
important yan.
yeah, you cannot miss those formative years.
Yes.
Because like you need to be present with their kasi
Mm-mm.
syempre parang like when they ang tawag doon yung araw nga, I mean like yung buong araw nga wala ka, hindi mo kasama. So,
Exactly.
nami-miss mo yung parang nami-miss out mo yung may na-discover pala siyang bagay, she learned new
Yes.
things, she learned how to dance, she learned how to sing na pala. So,
Mm-mm.
yun. Kaya parang it's all about priorities and mindset then
Yes.
of being a mom.
Yes.
Okay. There's another like super last question. Bago ka mag-run ka ba mamaya?
Yeah.
Mag-run ka?
Yeah, I have
Oh my gosh,
run sa
yun.
Dole.
Okay,
See
so
you
Dole. Dole, if you're watching, charot.
Pakibantayan ko
Sis,
tapo mo
okay.
to.
How important pala is, parang, di ba mom ka na, is your time alone with your husband?
Ayun naman.
Kasi, I know like parang medyo pero kasi it's part pa rin naman ng pagiging nanay to. Parang tatawid lang siya, pero kasi parang like, some kasi like when they created a family, like ito yung nakikita ko na parang like they just focus on the bata
Yes,
na lang.
yes.
And then the connection and the spark, sometimes it dies.
Mm-mm.
You know.
Eto, isa rin to sa mga natutunan ko along the way na kapag talaga nagkaroon na ng anak, nagbabago lahat, no? But we always need to look back dun sa time, no, when you vow, 'di ba,
Yeah.
na for better for worse, na hindi nyo papabayaan yung isa't isa.
True.
So, yung pagdating ng bata, no, it's just siguro ako guilty ako dito na talagang yung time ko, yung energy ko and all.
You pour it out sa
Yes,
bata.
sa bata na sometimes I feel guilty na ay oo nga pala may husband pala ako,
Yeah,
no.
yeah,
Ay
yeah.
oo nga pala ito pala yung unang-unang nakasama ko.
I don't know if it's a norm in the society, pero parang feeling ko it's nangyayari siya.
Kasi lalo na that yun nga you navigate this motherhood and all na talagang di maiwasan na yung time mo is mapupunta lahat sa
True.
bata and yung time with the husband is nababawasan. But
Mm-mm.
I learned through time, especially that nag-work na kami, that it's very important that you you spend time pa rin. Quality time with
Yeah.
your
Iba yung
partner.
time na parang with the baby. Iba yung
Yes.
time na parang kayo lang.
Yes. You always need to set that time na kayo lang, 'di ba? Communicate, 'di ba? Kahit though kami everyday naman na magkasama kasi hatid niya ako sa work,
Yeah, yeah.
susundin niya
Isang
ako, sabay
car lang
kami.
sila.
So, kumbaga, we also use that opportunity
To
to
connect.
to connect, 'di
Yeah,
ba? To
still.
spend time. Kaya nga kapag kunwari magkakain kami, 'di ba? And then nasa phone kami. So, nagbabawalan kami, no, binabawalan ko siya na stop using phone and
Yes,
all.
yes.
So, kasi again, majority ng time nasa work na.
Yeah.
Tapos pag-uwi ng bahay, nandiyan yung bata.
Bata.
So nawawalan na yung time for the
Yeah.
both of us. So kailangan talaga siyang
I-work out.
Yes, hindi pwedeng hindi mo i-workout kasi na experience namin before na parang nagfe-fade, parang
Yeah.
nawawala, parang ito ba yung parang hindi ito yung tayo before.
Yeah.
Though, I know naman na talaga may changes kasi iba na talaga kapag may anak ka tapos nag-work ka. Pero you really need to uh, work yung relationship kasi um, again, kung sa motherhood, 'di ba, walang perfect recipe, walang
True.
perfect ano. Same din naman siya no sa
Mag-asawa.
married
Yeah.
life, no. You just really need to work harder each day. You really need to make time. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na walang oras.
Yeah.
Work kasi yung work ano naman ang tawag to. Sometimes ang sinasabi namin is ito kasi yung main source of living natin, 'di ba? Kung
Totoo,
hindi natin
totoo.
hindi natin 'yan,
Parang
kawawa tayo.
it's a weak reasoning.
Yeah. So, but then again, no, kahit ilang minuto lang 'yan, no.
Yeah.
Kamustahin mo. Nagkakamustahan kami, no. Kapag susundin niya ako, how's your day? So,
Yeah.
how's your day? Ganyan. Para at least when we go home na, yan, hindi ka na magigilty na yung buong time in-spend mo na kay Feliz. Especially
Yeah.
na little time na nga lang yung
Tira
natitira
kay
para sa
Feliz.
bata.
Totoo yun.
So, ganon. But, yun nga, every weekend, we also spend time with one another, even with Feliz, no? We make it a point na, sige, labas tayo, 'di ba? Para at least ma-feel naman nung bata na, ay, may pamilya pala
Yeah, may
ako.
pamilya pala siya. Parang every weekend lang. Charing. Kasi 'di ba, yun yung ginagawa niyo din, 'di ba? Kasi like parang kunwari like kumakain pa din kayo sa labas,
Yes.
kahit kayo lang dalawa, ganyan.
Important yun, no? Sa mga nababasa ko din na, kasi may mga nabasa pa nga ako na dapat ang priority mo is your partner, hindi yung bata. Kasi ang bata,
Totoo.
iiwan ka.
I
Tama
know.
naman
Yeah,
yun.
I read to that.
Yes. Kasi kayo na lang kayo yung magkasama
Mm-mm.
hanggang sa wakas ng panahon, di
Kumbaga
ba?
parang yung baby kapag naging butterfly na siya.
Yes,
Lilipad na
you
siya
really
mag-isa.
need to let go of
Yeah.
your child one day. So it's very important that yung foundation yung
Yung
dalawa is
kayo.
strong talaga. And alam mo yon, kailangan everyday nino-nourish siya.
Okay.
So ayun.
So parang that's your secret.
Yes, it's very important that you get to spend quality time with your husband, with your
And
partner.
you encourage that to other partners.
Yes,
Yeah,
wag
to a
niyong
lot of
hayaan na
others.
hindi porke nagka-baby. I know it's difficult, no? I'm not invalidating those na
Feelings,
talagang
yeah,
ano.
true.
But it's very important that you also take care of your partner,
Totoo.
'di ba? Kasi kung 'yon mawawala, paano kayo magiging, 'di ba? Parang syempre kayo yung ilo-look up to nung bata, 'di
Totoo
ba?
yan.
If hindi maayos yung relationship yung dalawa, ano yung klaseng relationship na gusto nyong i-build or ano sa baby ninyo?
Of course, kasi siya, as a parent, you are setting an example for your
Kasi,
children, for your
sabi,
child.
at saka syempre, kung for example, one day, magpapamilya yung, or mag-aasawa, di ba, yung anak mo, you wanted to make sure na the kind of relationship that you two have, yun din yung hahanapin, no,
Yeah,
nung
kasi
bata.
nagiging core niya yun eh. Like, nakikita niya yun like bata, tapos
Yes.
tumatatak yun sa utak niya. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's the end of this episode. I
Sana may
hope you
napulot
had
sila.
fun.
Parang,
Meron naman yan. Kung ano guys, paki-comment na lang kung charot. So sis, thank you so much for gracing your
my
time here in my
pleasure.
episode. You are the parang seventh guest ko yata. Which is sabi ko nga like I don't wanna like miss this kasi nga like you're a first time mom and you're my
Yes.
sister. So parang sabi ko okay, just pwede na para at least tigilan niya na ako kakakulit. Charot. Hindi. Eme lang. So, yeah. That's it, guys, for this episode. If you like this episode, you may like comment or subscribe, like, share. If you don't like it, then don't like
Don't
it.
watch.
Yeah, don't watch. Pwede naman. And I hope, guys, we shared, kahit papaano or like may napulot kayo kahit paano sa kanyang mga experience as a mom and for those who are like, starting to build a family or starting to become a mom. Sis, thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you, sis, because like you're a mom.
Ina mo.
Ina ka na. Sobrang alam mo yon kasi like we all know that like being a mother is not an easy task. Again, she said earlier na there's no parang guide or rule book on how to become a perfect mom, but to like experience it and seize it and nourish it. Nourish. All the moms out there, we just wanna, say thank you and congratulations
Salute.
we salute you guys for, doing a great job even though sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon and, like struggles, tas lalo na yung pagiging housewife pa nga or house mom pa nga, sobrang hirap na like what more pa yung mom ka na you're working and you're raising a family and like, thank you so much. Bye
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye.